Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited for today's video as today's video is completely dedicated to this festive season. So let's not waste any more time and start this video. सबसे पहले I'm applying this Farsali glass serum which is amazing for my skin. I could actually feel the skin is moisturized and इसके बाद हमको primer लगाने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है as it works as primer as well. Next up, I'm using this Innisfree lip balm, which will make my lips a little smoother. Let's start with the makeup now. I'm gonna use PAC foundation with the shade of 2.5, and this brush I've got it from Miniso. This brush is amazing for this foundation application. I would really highly recommend you guys to use this brush. And as you can see that this foundation gives an amazing coverage to my skin. For my skin, my shade is 2.5, just for your reference. And I'm just applying it and blending it properly all over my face. Blending is really important when you really want your skin to shine naturally. The more you blend, the more the shine your skin will give. Plus, as I've applied this Farsali glass skin, it can actually give the result of nice shiny and glassy effect to my skin. Blend it really well. And yes, don't forget your neck area as well if you're wearing such kind of clothes where the neck is visible. Next up, our favorite LA Girl concealer. My shade is pure beige and I'm applying it towards my under eye and wherever I feel there is pigmentation or some pimple scar that is there. For the blending, I'm using this small sponge. This is from again PAC. I'm just making it little damp and I'm applying it. This way the product will spread very easily and smoothly. And make sure you do the dab motion instead of just dragging it, because otherwise the product will move and the foundation and the concealer will keep on moving and you will see that under eye mein jo crease line aa jata hai. If you do the dab motion, it will not happen. Okay, now I'm using this from Tarte. It's a concealer. It's one level lighter. The shade name is light medium. I'm using this so that it enhances the face. So this step is completely optional. अगर आपको ये skip करना है तो ये step आप skip कर सकते हैं. This is just to enhance and give that face more brightening effect towards your under eye. Next, to bake the skin, I'm using this translucent powder. ये जो translucent powder है that I've got it from Candies. Just apply it especially towards under eye area and on the places where we have applied the concealer especially, and don't forget your neck. Now for contouring, I'm using Anastasia contour kit and I'm going to use this angular brush for the same. Again, this is from Miniso. I have started loving Miniso brushes because they are very smooth and very reasonable for your regular basis, for your regular makeup. Okay, for the contouring, I'll be doing contouring towards my cheek area, to my forehead and to my jawline. Contouring my nose as well, and just blend your contouring really well. This is the powder contour, so blending is very important. Next up, I'm using the very favorite blush. The blush that I'm using is from Bene and I'm using this pink shade. I'm just using very little since my eyeshadow will also be pink, so I'm just being careful that it should not be too pinky. Okay, for the eyeshadow, I'm going to use this James Charles palette, and for the first step, I'm just using very nude color as just for the base of my eyes, and to just blend the crease that we usually get. Next up, I'm using this shade. So when I'm using my first shade, that is called transition shade, this shade I'm using towards the crease line where I'm blending. The eyeshadow is called the crease area. So the lighter shade is for the crease area, and I'm just blending with the big blending brush. Keep on blending it because this step is really important. The more you blend, the more your eyeshadow will look really natural and smooth, and it'll look very blended and soft finish, because that is the major thing that we don't focus on. Next, I'm using a little smaller blending brush, and I'm just going to use a darker shade towards the corner of the eyes, the outer corner of the eyes, and just blending it towards the socket of the eyes. Now socket is a little below the crease area, the crease line, as I told you. Just keep on blending this darker shade. The more you blend, you will get the two transition shades. One is the lighter shade, and then the second one is the darker shade. Okay, now this step is very interesting, I'll tell you, because now what I'm using on my eyes is using a concealer. I'm concealing this eyes from the inner corner towards the mid of the eyes. Now why I'm doing this is because I want to enhance my eye makeup. The shade that I'm going to use on top of it will enhance that color to another level. So that's the step that I'm going to do. And to start with the eyeshadow that you want to apply on top of this, just make sure you apply the nude shade before you apply the actual shade on your eyes. Yes. So now the next eyeshadow that I'm going to use is a shimmer eyeshadow. This is from Makeup Academy, but you can use any shimmer that you have in your eye palette. I'm using this pink, dark pink, magenta pink shade. See, since I'm using on top of that concealer, this makeup, this shimmer is enhanced even more. So that's the reason I'm using that. Plus it gives that half crease, cut crease look, but not a very sharp cut crease. This is a very soft cut crease line, and it gives that pop to the eyes, to that shimmer color that you are using it, and just blend it with the previous eyeshadow that you have used. Okay, so next here I'm using the kajal. This kajal that I'm using is from PAC again, and I'm just making sure that I'm blending toward the lower lash line as well. I'm using the shades which are similar to the shade that I've used on my eyelid. Next, I'm going to do a wing liner by using this Maybelline gel liner. I love gel liners because I feel I have the control in that. Plus, it is very smooth, and gel liners are always very smooth when we apply with the brush. You guys can use a pen liners if you're comfortable with that, or you can use a liquid liner as well, whichever liner is comfortable to you. I always prefer this gel liner. For a small wing liner, always start from the outer corner of the eyes, then mid, and then the inner corner of the eyes, because if you start from mid or inner corner of the eyes, it's gonna create a mess, guys. So always start from the outer corner of the eyes. So here it is, I'm done with my small wing liner, and I'm just spreading it towards the lower line as well. Now I'm using this curler. Many people are scared of using this curler because I don't know why. It's super easy to use. Just look down and start from the outer lash to the inner lash. Now I'm using this mascara from Swiss Beauty. I have started liking this mascara from Swiss Beauty. It is very long lasting. It gives amazing volume to the lashes. Next step is our girl's favorite step, and that is highlighter. We are so incomplete without using highlighter in our makeup, isn't it? So for this I am using K Beauty highlighter with the shade of Frosted Eyes. This is an amazing highlighter for medium to light skin tone. And you just use very less and you're done with it. Yes, so the highlighter that I've used is on the cheekbone, especially nose, forehead, and yes, I forgot the step. This is a very important step. This is our eyebrows. For the eyebrows, I'm gonna use this palette from Europe Girl. Here it is, I'm done. Now this is a step which I feel is very important at the end. I'm just using the translucent powder just below the contour where I've done my cheek contouring. It will just enhance the contouring even more. The lip shade that I'm using is one of my favorite. It's from Europe Girl, and this is the shade. The shade name is Wine. It's a beautiful shade. I will just link down on the description box all the details of my makeup that I'm using. And here it is. This lipsticks complete my makeup look, and I'm finally done with this Indian festive season makeup, especially for Diwali. I hope you guys really like this makeup, and if you really like it, give it a big thumbs up and surely subscribe to my channel. Help me growing, show some love so that I can create such videos even more and on regular basis for you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you on my another video. Until then, bye and have a happy Diwali to you all.